My name is Pretty, and I am currently pursuing a master's degree in transportation systems at the Technical University of Munich, and I am in my third semester. So prior to joining TUM, I have a civil engineering degree obtained in my home country, Cameroon, and that's it.
Yeah. Okay. It's Egecan. I'm from Turkey. I take my bachelor from Metri in Ankara in about planning, and afterwards I just go to transportation planning aspect of my further studies or further work. Yeah. Now I'm just doing my first semester.
So what interests me about this degree program, for just a little bit of background context, so after completing my civil engineering degree back in Cameroon, I had the opportunity to work with the World Bank through a graduate program called the African Universities Internship Program. And through this program, I actually realized that despite the fact that I had a very solid, good foundation in the engineering domain and the transportation field, I still needed to kind of like refine my technical and analytical skills. And yeah, that's what actually motivated me to enroll for this program.
I decided to choose TUM because of the university reputation firstly, and second one is the degree is my interest well fit, so I need to go for a master's at here.
Yeah, I'd say my biggest challenge so far in the degree programs, I'm very honest, is the workload. We have to manage the multiple projects and the multiple courses as well at the same time. And there are some courses that really are very demanding in terms of the technical ability, and you really need to put in a lot of efforts. But yeah, however, at the same time, it helps me to sharpen more and more my time management skills. And I believe as an engineer, it's something that every engineer should have. And also, it helps me to understand more and more and deepen my understanding in the field. I mean, the experience is amazing because we get to like combine the theoretical and the practical part, which I think it's really, really important. If I can remember, we had a course where we were trying to understand the impact of the second Stammstrecke. And I mean, this was a very good experience because we could understand how this project could alleviate the burden on the people, because right now people that commute from far distances, we have urban sprawl, people using the cars and everything, and we know with the SDG goals, we are trying to like aim for a better world. So this is actually helping the people in the way that we can have more public transport services. And yeah, in terms of the social impact, it was really very much pronounced. And yeah, this was really amazing to see the practical aspect. So the thematic focus of the master's program in transportation engineering is basically three main aspects. The first, we have the intelligent transportation systems, where we are basically working on traffic data. I mean, it's the whole traffic engineering field. And we have the transportation demand management, where it's more of the planning and the operation aspect. And finally, the road and rail infrastructure. This is more of the design and the calculation part. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. As you just go over all the major thematic focuses, mine will be about demand management side, because I had a background in city and regional planning, so I'm much more in operational science, not like engineering, or maybe not like computer science or signalization. It's not for me. It's also cool. I also like it, but in a lecture side, not in a professional side. Okay, then that's why I would go for planning. Probably.
So the intelligent transportation system field is also very interesting because there we get to understand more of how the traffic in our cities to work and operate. Because like limiting the waiting times, providing solutions in terms of congestions, when people are stuck in traffic jams, how it increases indirectly the levels of CO2 in our cities, especially for those using cars. So, I mean, this is actually a field that is really also very interesting because we get to provide real solutions to all of these problems related to, the traffic engineering domain. And yeah, it's cool.